Shower routine. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to tackle the ultimate, quick and refreshing 5-minute shower routine. Whether you're rushing in the morning or winding down at night, this routine is perfect for a quick pick-me-up. Let's dive right in. Taking care of yourself isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Self-care is about nurturing your physical and mental well-being. It's those small acts that rejuvenate us and help us face the day with a positive mindset. And guess what? A short shower routine can be a key part of that self-care equation. Host in bathroom, turning on the shower. Alright, let's set the mood. Make sure your water temperature is just right. Not too hot, not too cold. Hair care. Quick shampooing and conditioning tips. Host using time-efficient products. Suggest a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. For a faster routine, body wash. Use a refreshing body wash. Emphasize key areas: underarms, feet, and face. Recommend a time-saving body wash with a built-in moisturizer. Exfoliation. Use a gentle exfoliating scrub on face and body. Stress the importance of exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week for healthy skin. Moisturizing. Apply a quick absorbing moisturizer. Emphasize the importance of keeping skin hydrated. And there you have it, our quick and refreshing 5-minute shower routine. It's amazing what you can accomplish in just a few minutes. I'm Minhu, signing off. Until next time, stay fresh. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.